by all means hate the characters, but stop the hate there only. If they are making you hate them so much, guys, they are doing a great job, and tell them that. I want you to go and give the actors playing it all the love in the world. Tell them how great they're doing, and they're making you feel it. Because it's not easy. It is already difficult to be the villain in life, and you know they're playing villains, but they're doing such a great job.
So yeah, just feel the emotion, but I think what he's trying to say is that
Episode खत्म होने पे, we love you, we love you. That's it.
जब कभी भी स्क्रिप्ट याद नहीं होता है तो आप लोग क्या जुगाड़ करते हैं?
यार, she always remembers it. I've never seen her.
वो always remember it. शर्म आ रही है कि नहीं? Word by
दोनों
word.
ना. It's not true.
It is true.
Kind of true. It's like 50% true. But you're also कभी मैंने आपको माशाल्लाह कभी भूलते हुए नहीं देखा आपको. कब भूला है आपने?
मेरे को जब उनका क्वेश्चन है, जब तुम्हें याद नहीं हो रही हो तब क्या करते? भूलते
तब हम लोग पोपट बनाते एक दूसरे का. एक बार इन्होंने, मैं ये बताऊंगा, एक बार इन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया. उनकी लाइन बहुत कम थी और मेरी भी बहुत कम थी उसमें. तो शी केम इनटू माय रूम एंड मैं रिहर्स कर रहा था. एक्चुअली आज रिहर्स नहीं करते. जो ये कभी नहीं बोलेंगी ऐसा. गाइज, मैं आपको बोलूँ, ये अपनी लाइफ में कभी नहीं बोलेंगी रिहर्स नहीं करते. ये शी इज अबाउट द रिहर्सल. बट दैट डे शी केम एंड सेड दिस, एंड हम लोग सीन में हम लोग दोनों चले गए. एंड आई वाज सो बैड इन दैट सीन बिकॉज आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू से. एंड आई एम लाइक, दिस इज द लास्ट टाइम आई एम एवर लिसनिंग टू समबडी.
Somebody of me.
That somebody is you.
या एक बार हुआ था, बट मुझे अगर कुछ याद नहीं होता तो मैं मोस्टली हिम और माय अदर को एक्टर्स आई गो टू देम. नहीं, यू रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू, मुझे जब कोई चीज़ याद ही नहीं हो रही होती, मतलब वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आई है. अगर मुझे समझ में नहीं आई तो वो यहाँ पे जाएगी ही नहीं. सो आई गो टू देम एंड आई आस्क आइदर, कोशिश करती हूँ कि डायरेक्टर सर इज़ द लास्ट स्टेज टू आस्क, क्योंकि डायरेक्टली आप तब सेट पर होते हो. तो बिफोर कमिंग ऑन टू द सेट यू शुड नो योर लाइन्स. तो जब मैं पढ़ रही होती हूँ और उसमें मुझे कुछ हिकअप होता है, तो ही इज़ माई
नहीं, but
First.
वो कभी-कभार when she doesn't understand
and then I look for, like, if I want to change the word or the line, if doesn't make sense or it makes sense. So I need like reconfirmation and new lines from him. And Gagan sir के साथ भी मैंने बहुत भरी.
ओके, सो कोई ऐसा सीन जिसको करते समय आपकी हंसी अंदर से आ रही हो, आपको बहुत रोकनी पड़ती हो या पड़ी हो?
आप बोलेंगे आप कुछ?
मुझे
अपना
जुगाड़ भी
खामोश हो गए आप. अचानक से आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही है आपको? She mashallah has a gift. She can laugh, like she laughs a lot in the scenes. And the good thing is ऐसा नहीं है. आप ये मत सोचिए कि सिर्फ सामने वाले के क्लोज में खुद कर रही होंगी एंड खुद अच्छा यानी मूड में रहेंगी एंड इट्स ट्रूथफुल एंड इट्स सिंसियर और खुद हंस देंगी.
If it is truthful and sincere, I will never do it. If it's not truthful and sincere, like I don't, like, you remember the time I got scolded. It's मतलब I मेरे को समझ
रहता, हाँ.
I was laughing a lot. So mostly I only laugh when there is romance. And romance, the kind of romance that I'm not getting. So I like.
That's not true. से रोमांस के अलावा में भी आप हंसती हो. माशाल्लाह बहुत हंसती हो आप. हाँ. हंसती. She has a gift.
कंट्रोल कैसे करते हो? कैसे रोक पाते हो अपनी हंसी?
अब I've improved, but usually मैं नहीं रोकती, मैं हंस देती.
इनका जाता है, इनका चलता है.
I'm like, एक मिनट, let me come back. मैं होल्ड करती हूँ शॉट. एक मिनट, sorry everybody, and then go back to it.
नहीं, बट अच्छी बात है ना, बिकॉज यार बहुत सीरियस, यानी ये इतना सीरियस काम नहीं है. गुड. शी लाइफ इन, हाँ,
तो ऐसे नहीं है.
नहीं है. वी आर हैविंग फन, वी आर हियर टू प्ले, वी आर रोल प्लेइंग, यू नो. हाँ, some moments are become truthful because you put energy है वो, but all this laughter and all keeps it very light and keeps us like
हाँ, मतलब अगर कुछ भी, if you are true to the moment ना, तो कुछ अगर moment में ही रहा तो आप उसमें ही रह के निकल जाओगे. लेकिन if you are true to the moment and उसमें कुछ off रहा, so that will make you laugh, like a slur of someone or a wrong meaning to a sentence. or because you're true in the moment and you're like really tense and somebody says like blah, blah, and you're like what? So I immediately come out of it
हाँ
because I'm really there.
और नेक्स्ट आपके फ़ोन में सबसे क्रेजी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप कौन सा है और उसमें किस तरह की मस्ती होती है?
would it be Khao Gali or and all that
Yeah, Khowgali is pretty.
at the moment but they're not crazy
मतलब that's one group we are common to.
हाँ हाँ
हमारा कॉमन ग्रुप है
खाओ गली हाँ
जहाँ पे क्रेजी है बिकॉज हमारे बाकी के को एक्टर्स क्रेजी है
हाँ।
तो कुछ भी डालते हैं फ्रॉम आरे में कितना ट्रैफिक है टू किसने क्या खाया कौन फ्लाइट लेके कहाँ जा रहा है एंड कितने बजे जगे हुए हैं और इतने बजे क्यों जगे हुए हैं एंड ऑल द डिटेल्स ऑफ आवर लाइव्स
That's
इज
really
गोइंग
sweet,
देयर
हाँ
and yeah everything
I like
from
the group yeah
from let's revolt to let's just chill and party everything is there so it's a nice
I
fun
like the
group
group yeah
yeah
ओके क्या कभी आपने बिना रिहर्सल के सीधे कैमरे पर आकर डायलॉग बोला है? कभी ऐसा हुआ?
yeah बहुत बार
हाँ एंड बहुत खराब गया एंड बोला ये नहीं करना चाहिए लाइफ में
नहीं
बिना रिहर्सल बिना एक बार डायलॉग बोले एक बार मैंने किया था जब आप नहीं आई थी एंड विक्रम सर ने मेरा एक क्लोज ले लिया था याद है क्लोज सीधा
Yeah.
गाड़ी वाला बहुत खराब गया था
that was upsetting for me also because beginning and trying to understand each other and I was
And
like
मुश्किल था,
what
हाँ
and it was cute and nice तो उसमें improvisation भी निकल जाते तो मजा ही नहीं आता ना एक दूसरे का साथ जरूरी होता है या
नहीं थोड़ा सा जरूरी है यार नो मैटर हाउ मच यू हाँ रियली इमोशनल सीन्स वी जस्ट रन द लाइंस लाइक फ्लैटली बट यार थोड़ा सा जरूरी होता है एक बार बोल के देखना वो
you know
साउंड
there
कैसे कर
are
रहा
too
है
many technicalities आपको कैमरा टीम को भी वो देना होता है कि आप कहाँ बैठने वाले हो उठने वाले हो they also get an idea of the emotion you're carrying if you're carrying too much aggression then they'll be more alert whether you're going like quickly here and there
of course we work 12 hours a day we work पूरा महीना so जाहिर सी बात है कभी कभार आप you get less sleep you're cranky and all that अक्सर तो होता है कि सामने वाले की कभी गलती नहीं होती और कभी होती है तो of course we get angry and then we speak it out but alhamdulillah it's a very nice set we've got lovely co-stars I'm blessed तो हाँ आया तो है but yeah we speak it out I don't think it's such a big deal and I think it's very normal यार yeah
नहीं मुझे को स्टार पे तो गुस्सा सच नहीं है गुस्सा नहीं आया कभी मतलब बाकी इमोशंस आई एम श्योर रहे होंगे बट नॉट लाइक एंग्री आई मीन आई डोंट रिमेम्बर अगर इफ समबडी इज लाइक नॉट टेकिंग दिस सीरियस सीन लाइक मतलब दे नेवर टेक इट सीरियसली तो मेरे को गुस्सा आता है बट उसमें भी मुझे लगता है नेवर माइंड द पर्सन इज नॉट सीरियस सो यू कैन रियली डू तो उस पर गुस्सा नहीं आता गुस्सा जिस पे हक होता है उस पर आता है आई गेस पर गुस्सा सच नहीं आया कभी दुख वुख बाकी इमोशंस बट नॉट दुख गुस्सा
अब तक का सबसे बड़ा ऑन सेट क्रश
ऑन सेट क्रश अब तक का यानी ये सेट पे ओ वाओ यार मेरे को किसी पे क्रश आया था I did crush on people's talent from time to time yeah
क्रश ऑन टैलेंट
like it's like wow infatuated like oh my god that I feel whenever somebody performs really beautifully whatever performance it is if it's a dance if it's a song if it's acting whatever performance
When
related
did you
art
had a crush performance?
तेरा वाला वो एंजल वाला that was
was a
really
good
nice हाँ that was really nice मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा
It was a good monologue.
मेरे को कल शैरन का बहुत अच्छा लगा
There was
कल when this small moment she's like you can't do that she's drinking champagne I really liked how she performed
अच्छा showroom वाला
हाँ कल स्टोर रूम वाला मोना मैम का
fantastic. All the actors are fantastic.
हसन सर का I remember that one line the way he took here Gold Digger oof man it was so brilliant like while doing I was like oh shit wow that was good
You took Gold Digger as well like nicely.
हाँ
मैंने telecast में देखा.
मैंने आपको गोल्ड डिगर
Gold Digger.
ओह
For you. And मेरा reaction भी like I like the both. I like the whole scene.
so
and nice.
हाँ वैसे
So,
क्रशेस रहे आपके
No, I don't get crushes.
she doesn't she's either she loves or she doesn't love there's no
There's
ये
no
बीच में
crushing
टाइम
over.
पास नहीं she's playing on an elite level hello
Elite level.
like, yeah like we are like oh one day oh my god that's so beautiful yeah I did have a crush on an extra though once I didn't tell you because होता है कभी कभार randomly होता है and I could not for the life of me understand why I couldn't understand why. I was like, why am I crushing on her right now? Nahi, but I know the kind of people I like. She wasn't really in that category, and I was just like, then you know what? I accepted. I said, instead of fighting it and saying no, I was like, okay, I have fine. There's something okay.
But you know, since like school time, I've never really understood crushing. Like, how do you crush? What makes you crush? Like, either you really like somebody because how they talk, how intelligent, and you can't like crush over somebody you don't know. So, crushing as a concept, I've never got it. तो
I think-
फिर भी कोई मेरे को बहुत फोर्स करता है हाँ?
It's just liking somebody a lot, whatever reason. You know them, you don't. It's just liking somebody a lot to the point where you're like gaga over them.
You like all of your friends, you gaga about
Not
them.
that way.
That's
No.
not crushing.
Not friendly wala and family wala crushing, liking.
So I don't get crush.
Okay, she doesn't get crushing.
I don't understand.
तो लास्टली कभी कोई सीन आप लोगों ने अपना खुद का सीन देख के ये कर दिया वाओ व्हाट आई डिड यार
नहीं, I was telling him yesterday कि he did a wonderful job in the telecast that I saw yesterday, and फिर जो इन्होंने सेट पे किया था वो भी एक पैंट्री का सीन आएगा मेज़बानी में, वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग किया था. While he was doing it, I was like having moments of goosebumps and all that stuff. And एक टेलीकास्ट हुआ था वो भी बहुत अच्छा था. तो where for the first time he comes and confronts her कि I love you and you sold my love. So I think that was amazing. So that was the latest thing that I really loved about it.
इनका मैंने वो बोला एंजल वाला मेरे को बहुत पसंद आया था. I really like that because I had read the lines and those weren't the lines and she got the lines changed and then she performed and I was like, oh shit, oh what is this? ये एक था मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा था. And I'm sorry मैं telecast देखता नहीं, so I miss a lot of the stuff that she does with other people and all that. मुझे ये scene मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा when and I like the way she handled it in the when I tell her for the first time, like when I'm drunk and I tell her and she's being rude, like being broken here and she's being soft here and she's being broken. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. I told her even that time it was so difficult for her. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा था वो. अभी दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा यार, because you know the problem with her and Mona ma'am is, I'll tell you honestly, the problem with her and Mona ma'am is they perform at such a level, like they're great in every scene. Now it's those extraordinary magical scenes that happen once in a while, but her greatness is there in every scene. Like I'm kind of tired of telling like that's her norm. Like same with Mona ma'am. I think इतना used to हो जाते हो आप कि यार ये इंसान वो level पे perform करता है ना कि आप कभी कभार भूल जाते हो कि जो ये कर रहा है ये standard level पे is beautiful. And I get reminded when I had a conversation with my uncle, and for me honestly that was like I'm not watching the telecast so I don't know, but my uncle, the way he spoke about your acting, I was like yeah she is man. You don't know what you got till it's gone वाला हिसाब हो गया कि इतना yeah I expect you to perform that, but my uncle's reaction like yeah I'm like she is yeah she's a fantastic actor.
Thank you. You're fantastic as well. I think the whole thing is like, you know, I
Ma'am.
agree with you that we get like like even for him and कि बहुत बार होता है you get like such amazing scenes and you give such amazing performances. So not every time you end up appreciating, क्योंकि हम day to day basis पे देख रहे हैं एक दूसरे को 12 hours 13 hours perform करते हुए, and it's fantastic. So like
Absolutely.
but definitely there's this admiration for each.
या बट फैंस को आपको हर मोमेंट बहुत पसंद आता. थैंक यू सो मच. और फैंस के लिए इन मैसेज
We hold a lot of gratitude. Thank you so much. आप हमारे शो को इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, हर किरदार को प्यार दे रहे हैं, इतनी ट्विस्टेड स्टोरीज को इतना सारा प्यार दे रहे हैं, and we love performing for you guys, and I love the fact that we are entertaining you and you're getting entertained. क्योंकि कई बार हम लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं, मतलब कई सारे एक्टर्स कई सारे शोज आते हैं, बट वो कम्युनिकेट नहीं हो पाते, यू नो, वो जो इमोशन यहाँ से पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हैं वो आप तक पहुँच नहीं पाता है, बट हमारा पहुँच पा रहा है. आप लोग अप्रिशिएट रेसिप्रोकेट कर रहे हैं वो प्यार. सो थैंक यू सो मच, मीन्स अ लॉट.
Thank you. Yeah, just nahi, thank you guys. Thank you for all your support. Thank you. Personally, I want to say the reels you guys have been making is wicked, man. इतना मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे. मैं इतना reels में वो नहीं हूँ, मैं कभी ये इतना पोस्ट नहीं करा, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड forgive the makers for breaking up Manvik and getting Malla in this one. But it's just I want to say one thing good. This I reminded myself only मेरे को ये बोलना था. Could some of you, I know you all are so invested in the story that you all hate some of the other characters, right? Please, by all means, hate the characters, but stop the hate there only. The person playing it are beautiful people. We've got such a wonderful vibe on our set. We love each other. We really are fond of each other. Even the arch nemesis, arch villain, arch vamp, jo bhi aap log bolo, we're really fond of each other. And we Instagram and our social media is not only Vikrant and Mannat and Mallika and Ashwarya and all that. These are people as well. So when we post, I want you to show love to all. If they are making you hate them so much, guys, they are doing a great job. And tell them that. I think more than me giving us love, I think you should give them love. Because yaar, tum log, they are making you feel like so much and it's so hard. It's not easy. And you all are getting so riled up. So I want you to go and give the actors playing it all the love in the world. Tell them how great they're doing and they're making you feel it. मैं आपको एक छोटा, sorry, लंबा हो गया. But I had a moment in Panchayat when I went for the season premiere. My friend Akshat directed it, and I've not seen Panchayat the first 3 seasons. I've only seen the premiere में 2 episode. And then Sunita ma'am, so Sunita Rajwat ma'am is there in it दोनों episode में, and उन्होंने इतना फाड़ू काम किया ना यार कि second episode में, I'm sorry to say, please forgive me, but I wanted to punch her because हमारे हीरो की टीम को इतना वो कत्ल करी थी ना. And immediately after that, and I went and told her, I said, ma'am, I hated you. You were so amazing. And I said, ma'am, that was brilliant. You riled up my emotions so much. And I know it's so difficult. So मैं आपसे यही request करूँगा, guys. वहाँ तक enjoy किया, hate किया, गुस्सा आया, वो emotion feel हुआ. But जैसे ही हमारा episode खत्म हुआ ना, go on and give them love, man. Because it's not easy. It is already difficult to be the villain in life. And, you know, they're playing villains. But they're doing such a great job. Malla is there, Apni, Mona ma'am is there, Neetu ma'am is there. Everyone who's doing, Kirat ma'am is there. Kabhi kabar, my Ronnie is doing a very nice character. वो बीच में थोड़ा गगन sir कभी.
It doesn't matter, you know. It's all about the storyline. Sometimes people would hate what Mannat did to Vikrant or Vikrant did to Mannat, or each other. Likewise, the characters to each other. So the point is it's the story, and it'll be said how it's supposed to be said, and with all the twists and turns. And but हाँ, the idea is कि जो लोग बना रहे हैं, जो लिख रहे से लेकर, जो प्रोड्यूस कर रहे से लेकर, जो क्रिएटिव्स हैं, सब everybody's, the idea is to entertain, and सबका, nobody is trying to hurt you, but you know, एक मसालेदार स्टोरी होती है जिसमें पावर पैक्ड विलन्स हो, पावर पैक्ड हीरोज हो, एंड सोसाइटल नॉर्म्स हो ब्रेक करते हुए तो एवरीथिंग नीड्स टू बी देयर ऑन द टेबल टू मेक यू फील द इमोशन. So just feel the emotion, but I think what he's trying to say is के
episode खत्म होने पे, we love you, we love you. That's it.
And honestly, all of us, each and every actor or technical person holds a lot of love and respect towards our fans who have watched our shows. Yeah,
यही request करेंगे, return करो यार, because they love you guys, they're working really hard. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.